Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's and this is a Belle electric mixer, 240 volt. Customer says it doesn't rotate unless you give it a push. So let me demonstrate. You might be able to hear a buzzing. Can you hear that? Until you give it a push. And then it doesn't want to, then it rotates. And here's another funny thing. When you start it up and you push it the other way, no, it hasn't done it this time, but the motor can actually rotate the other way. What it is that a capacitor's gone. Now all I'm going to do is change this, and this will help it the initial start. So let's unplug it and take a cover off. Now on the side of the engine here, or the cover, you've got this cover here and it's got 4 screws in it. They're only Phillips heads and plastic screws. But this is the capacitor I was talking about. And as you can see, this one's not looking good, especially with that. Now this one here is exactly the same, CBB60, just a slightly different size. So all I'm going to do is take off these 2 terminals, place them on here. There's not really much difference between the 2 of them, which way they go around. Put that back in there, and then I'll put the cover back on and let's give it a test. Right, now the capacitor's been changed, it's now covers back on, plugged in. Let's see what happens when I press the start button. See, it's all done, and something I noticed when it was running, it was actually running the wrong way, which could actually have undone the drum because they just screw them. So anyway, if you have a Belle mixer or even a compressor that has a capacitor on it, this could be the reason why it doesn't start and run. So I hope you found that helpful, and if it was useful, hit the like and subscribe button, much appreciated. So take care and be safe. See you next video. Bye.